a 2000. Trying to make this thing last forever. Right now it's doing pretty well. There's a piston that pulls the lid up. That isn't pulling the lid up. So we're going to replace them. For the time being, I'm going to need to jam this open with something in order to work on it. So I found this thing in my garage. It's a good length. That'll hold it open and allow us to work on this. Now this actually looks pretty simple. There's just two small clips in here that we're gonna get at. Now as far as I can tell, this should just pop off. So I'm just gonna do that without dropping the hood on my head. And there's the bottom free. And we're gonna do the same thing up here at the top. I just grab the flathead screwdriver to help me get some leverage up in here. And we're free. Now I picked up this replacement off of Amazon. Looks the same. We're just gonna do a few things to it before we put it in. First of all, I'm gonna clean up the mounting points. Just take a towel. And then I'm just going to take a little bit of grease and rub it on both ones. Now for the reassembly. Again, without dropping this on my head, I'm going to put the top in first. Makeshift holder. Look at that. This installation is going to be done next. And that's really all there is to it. On to the next project.